Dearly beloved, welcome. It's April 1st. You're my only audience I didn't prank today. I feel a little bit bad. I had some ideas, but I just ran out of time. Believe it or not, I had other work to do yesterday. But I managed to get up really early this morning and send out this April Fool's joke to our Play Chi-Ball audience. And we posted this on our local classifieds and stuff like that. That basically we've got Olympic team tryouts happening, and that Salt Spring Island, where we live, is going to be the official location for our team to be built over the next 3 years here while we gear up for the Olympic Games in 2028. So that was a fun one. And then we sent out another one right before. That's why I was 2 minutes late, as I had to get this one finished. We sent out a news announcement to our Magic Kids audience that was basically big changes at Magic Kids, new CEO, new direction. And it was basically after a long board meeting and a very intense thumb war. We're excited to announce that our new CEO is none other than 8-year-old visionary Soren Magic. Effective immediately, Soren is making some bold moves to upgrade the company. Here's what he's decided so far. We're firing all artists. Crowns are cool and all, says Sorum, but have you seen what AI can do? From now on, all Magic Kids books and illustrations will be generated with robots in 0.3 seconds. No more waiting for actual humans to draw stuff. Number two, scrapping the fair pay publishing model. Soren's exact words were, why are we giving half the money to the people who made the stories? That's silly. I need more Magic cards. All meetings now require snacks. No snacks, no strategy. That's the new rule. Audio stories will now be written and told by robots because robots' voices are funnier and they never mess up the words. They also have perfect spelling, grammar, and punctuation, which saves us money on hiring editors. Magic Kids will be rebranded as AIJIC Kids, where robots rule the imagination. We're still wrapping our heads around this transition, but hey, maybe he's onto something. Or maybe we've just completely lost control. In the meantime, we invite you to listen to one of the last remaining human-made audio stories from Magic Kids before they're wiped from the archives forever. Listen to the Great Fire audio story now. Thanks for riding the wave of innovation with us. If you have concerns, please send them to Soren. However, I doubt he will care, and you'll get a response that is something like nana nana boo boo with the stick out your tongue emoji. With Magic, the formerly adult-led Magic Kids team. P.S. April Fools. So, oh, you can't even see that. You're not looking at what I'm looking at. Anyways, there was emojis and fun things in there. Um, so yeah, having lots of fun with that. I imagine we'll get a bunch of emails today, and today's our league day for Play Cheat Ball. So I imagine there'll be a whole bunch of people that show up to try out for the Olympic team. Uh, the reason we did that one is because in the last few years, when people watch a few of us who are really good at Cheat Ball play, everybody's like, that's 100% going to be an Olympic sport one day. Um, and so yeah, that was just a fun way to start the day, is play some jokes on our audiences. And I look forward to getting the responses later on.